Today we are here at Echols Farm, which is a 55+ community by Windsong Properties, and I have the pleasure of being here with Diane. And Diane, today we are in this gorgeous model home. It is the Harrison. So what can you tell me about it?
The Harrison is the largest plan that we offer at Echols Farm. It's also an award-winning plan for us, and we're very proud of that. It can be anywhere from 2 to 4 bedrooms, depending on how we build it for you. And the majority of the living is on the main level, which is what we're looking for at this stage in our life. But there is also an optional bonus room upstairs.
Walk me through the layout of the Harrison, because it really is a great layout.
It is, it really is. It's so inviting. All of our homes feature front porches, and our homeowners actually sit out there and visit with each other, which is nice. But when you walk into the Harrison, you're immediately struck by how wide the hallway is and the view, this unobstructed view all the way to the back of the home, and this big picture window that just takes you out beyond that. And people just always gasp the first time that they see it. They love it. We also have just the most gorgeous kitchen. If you like to cook, this is your kitchen, because there is an abundance of cabinet space, a big walk-in pantry, and not only that, but it flows seamlessly out onto the side patio and your courtyard. And for entertaining, let me tell you, that is just the most inviting place to bring your friends over and have a drink and enjoy getting to know each other.
And I understand that this has a pretty incredible closet too.
Oh my goodness. I'm so jealous of that closet. The entire master suite is very spacious. The bedroom itself is large, has big picture window. Again, the amount of light that flows through our homes is incredible. But the bathroom is like a spa experience. You've got, again, natural light coming in from a skylight. You've got separate vanities, and then the closet. Girl, let me tell you, that closet is something I wish that I had.
Well, it truly is a beautiful floor plan, and I know that one of the really important things here at Echols Farm is lifestyle. So talk a little bit about what it would look like to live here.
I can tell you from personal experience that I aged out of my previous community. There were a lot of young families coming in with children, and while they were lovely, I didn't have anything in common with them. And the beauty of this kind of community is that all of your friends are here. You haven't met them yet, but they're all a similar age, different life experiences, but everybody's come together and build an incredible community. If you want to lock and leave, you can do that in a Windsong home, because all of the landscaping maintenance is done for you. So there's a lot of freedom in having this. You're not downsizing, you're right-sizing.
Well, Diane, I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that after hearing you kind of talk about the lifestyle, this beautiful home and floor plan, want to learn more. So what is the best way to do that?
The best way is to call us at 678-401-2306. And Joyce and I would love to show you around the community, show you our amenities, and help you understand how right-sizing is really the best thing that you can do at this time in your life.
Well, Diane, thank you so much for being here with me today.
Thank you.
And if you are looking for a change and maybe finding that right size for your life in that 55+ active adult community, then you'll definitely want to check out Echols Farm by Windsong Properties in Hiram.